How y'all doing out today? This is the Mississippi Buffalo Clock Queen. I am in Kendall, Louisiana at Coshado, and I'm getting ready to play Midnight Express. Yes, I am being ready to play Midnight. And let's go. Come on, Midnight Express. Got the queens all well crawled. Let's go, baby. This game is by Aristocrat. Come on, baby. Give me the bonus. Come on, I need 2 more trees. You need you need 5 balls to go in the bonus, or you could get the trees to go in the bonus. And the rhino is wild. Again, I'm in Kendall, Louisiana at Coshado. Give a shout out to Joel. How you doing out there, Joel? Joel will make everything possible for us when we come down to YouTubers. Let's go, Midnight Express. Come on, I need 3 more. Uh-oh. Let's go, baby. Give me that money, honey. One more. I needed 1 more of them trees up there, and I done went in the bonus, y'all. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Come on, baby. I needed 1 more tree. Come on, Rhino. That was a $1.86 hit. Come on, give me the tree. I'm gonna go to another. Come on, 2 more. Oh my goodness, y'all. Come on, baby. Come on, Midnight Express. Let's go, Midnight Express. Give me 2 more trees. All right, y'all. I'm gonna put it on 2 cents. I'm gonna put it on 2 cents to see what 2 cents gonna do. Oh, 1 cent ain't doing nothing. Again, I'm at Coshado in Kendall, Louisiana on Midnight Express. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. One more. Oh my goodness, it went by so fast. Oh my goodness, y'all. 2 cents ain't doing nothing either. Alright, I'm gonna go back to 1 cent, y'all, because 2 cents ain't doing nothing either. So I'm going back to 1 cent. Oh, there go the Midnight Express, but I ain't got nothing to go with it. Let's go, Midnight Express. Let's go, baby. Come on. Oh, y'all. Midnight Express ain't doing nothing, y'all. I tell you what. Look at that Maxi right there. That Maxi is $1,555.15. And the major high too, y'all. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Come on. One more. Come on, baby. Give me that 1 more. Bam. Oh, y'all, I needed 1 more. Come on. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Give me a bonus. I don't want to go in the bonus for me, y'all. I'm going to give it 3 more backups, 3 more spins, and that's going to be it. And there's 1. Oh, I needed 1 more, y'all. There's 2. And there's 3. Alright, I'm gonna give it 1 more since I got that 60 cents. Alright, y'all. They didn't want to give me nothing. Night Express didn't want to give me nothing, but that's okay. In Kendall, Louisiana at Coshado. And y'all don't forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel. I am the Mississippi Buffalo Clock Queen. And bye-bye.